What's up YouTube? It's Staff Sergeant Games coming to you with another tutorial for using your Stream Deck to the full. While I've got you here, make sure to like that video, tick the bell, and most appreciated thing would be to smack that subscribe button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I will respond to everyone. Now let's get to it. Alright, today we're going to be working on creating a Stream Deck button to lock our computer. I don't know about you, but I have children at home that like to come press buttons on my keyboard and mouse. This is the easiest way to stop them from accidentally launching a stream or deleting something I've been working on really hard. If you follow the same basic steps, you can also make a power button to simply power off your computer at the end of a long day. To start, we're going to run a multi-action, which I've already got set up here. Open up our multi-action, and the first thing we're going to use is a hotkey. That's going to be under our system tab there in Stream Deck. Now, the first hotkey I'm going to launch is going to be the Windows button. Obviously speaking, Windows is going to launch up this right here. So that's going to do that. Now, I do want to add a delay here, simply because of the fact that if I run it too fast, it doesn't quite work correctly. I generally I have it set on my computer to about 300 milliseconds. The next hotkey that we're going to use is going to be the tab. So when we hit Windows, tab, it brings us over to this feature here, or to the side of the start menu. So the next one that we're going to use after the tab is going to be the down arrow. So let's go ahead and get those entered in here. So this one, observing keystroke, is tab. We're going to go delay of 300 milliseconds. We're going to do another hotkey, which is going to be the down arrow. And then we're going to do another delay. Switch that over to 300 milliseconds. All right. So at this point, what that's going to look like is this. It's going to go Windows, delay, down to our profile. Once we are here, what we need to do is we need to select an enter button. When we hit enter, it'll come up like this, a down arrow, and then enter again to lock. So let's go ahead and do that. So we've got the down key to select the profile. We're going to bring over a hotkey, and that hotkey is just going to be enter. We're going to do another delay for 300 milliseconds again. We're going to bring over another hotkey. Again, this is going to be down because we want to go from that first profile down. And we're going to add another delay. Now, just so that way I can show you the extent of it, I am going to enter the hotkey for enter to set it up. But in this case, I'm going to put this to like 3,000 milliseconds, just so that way I can cancel out of it so you guys don't get lost here. Now, from here, we select our multi-action. It's going to go Windows, down. Oh, there it is. Okay, so that's how that works. Let's go ahead and we can come back here. We're going to rename this Lock PC. That way you guys know what it is, you guys know how it works, or what's gonna happen when you press that button. Like I said, you can follow those same general principles to run a PC shutdown button, which I also have. That way at the end of my day, I can go ahead and just shut it all down and closes everything out for me. It's amazing and I love it. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments. Find me on Twitter, it's at Staff Sergeant or SSGT space games. I got no problems answering questions for you guys. If you have any other video recommendations or suggestions that you want to hear, let me know. I'm all ears and I'm ready to help. Thank you guys very much for hanging in there. Again, this is Staff Sergeant Games and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day.